Notre Dame transfer, a dangerous receiver. Ritter looks that way under pressure. Ball came out loose. It's on the carpet. The turnover at the Cincinnati 25-yard line. Ojulari hit it loose.
But remember, Hudson is out. Metz is in. And that's a fantastic rush. You see the hand movement, the hand work by Ojulari, who's made timely plays throughout the course of this season, comes clean. And it's not just about getting the sack, but getting the ball out. Sack, strip, fumble, and Georgia right back in this ball game. Defense helping the offense. That is a quality pass rush, getting on the edge of the backup left tackle and creating a play that this football team so desperately needed.